What if one of nature's most affordable vegetables held clinically studied benefits for your gut, your heart, and even your long-term vitality? Today, we're diving deep into what modern science actually says about cabbage. No myths, no hype. Just evidence. Cabbage has been part of traditional cuisines for centuries. It shows up in soups, stews, slaws, fermented dishes, and simple home cooking across cultures. Yet despite being humble and inexpensive, it continues to appear in serious scientific research. In this video, we'll explore findings grounded in global dietary frameworks from the World Health Organization, NIH-funded research, and peer-reviewed journals such as the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, Antioxidants, Nutrients, Osteoporosis International, and the Journal of Functional Foods, especially studies published between 2020 and 2025. We'll break down 7 science-backed ways cabbage may support your body, explain how to prepare it for maximum benefit, and clarify who should use caution. No exaggerated claims. No miracle language. Just practical nutrition grounded in research. Let's unlock what cabbage can really offer, and how you can use it wisely in your own kitchen. Nutritional fundamentals: what's inside cabbage? Before we talk about benefits, we need to understand what makes cabbage nutritionally impressive. 1 cup of raw green cabbage delivers roughly 85% of your daily vitamin C needs. That is more than many people expect, often even more than an orange per serving. Vitamin C acts as your body's cellular shield. It supports immune function, collagen production, and antioxidant protection. That same cup provides about 107% of your daily vitamin K requirement. Think of vitamin K as your body's glue. It plays a key role in blood clotting and helps maintain strong, resilient bones. You also get around 2 grams of fiber per cup. Fiber is not glamorous, but it is foundational. It feeds beneficial gut bacteria, supports regular digestion, and helps regulate blood sugar. Then we have cabbage's unique compounds, glucosinolates. These sulfur-containing molecules are responsible for cabbage's subtle bitterness. When chopped or chewed, they convert into biologically active compounds such as sulforaphane. Red cabbage adds another layer of benefit through anthocyanins, the pigments that give it that deep purple color. Anthocyanins are powerful antioxidants studied for cardiovascular and anti-inflammatory effects. Low in calories. High in micronutrients. Rich in protective plant compounds. Now let's move into what research suggests these nutrients may actually do inside your body. The 7 science-backed benefits. 1. Digestive health support. Cabbage's fiber acts as a prebiotic. That means it feeds beneficial bacteria in your gut. A 2022 study in Nutrients emphasized how dietary fiber supports microbiome diversity, which is closely linked to digestive resilience and metabolic health. When gut bacteria ferment fiber, they produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate. These compounds may support the lining of your colon and help regulate inflammation. Fermented cabbage, like sauerkraut, adds probiotics into the mix. That combination of prebiotic fiber and beneficial bacteria creates a powerful synergy for gut balance. Research suggests that a fiber-rich diet consistently supports digestive regularity and long-term colon health. 2. Cardiovascular support. Cabbage contains potassium, fiber, and anthocyanins, 3 components linked to heart health. According to CDC dietary guidance, potassium helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium levels in the body. Fiber may help reduce LDL cholesterol when consumed consistently as part of a balanced diet. Anthocyanins in red cabbage have been studied in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition for their association with improved vascular function. Cabbage is not a substitute for medical treatment, but research suggests it may support cardiovascular wellness when included regularly in a plant-rich dietary pattern. 3. Cellular defense and cancer risk reduction context. Glucosinolates in cabbage convert into sulforaphane when the vegetable is chopped or lightly cooked. Sulforaphane has been widely studied for its role in activating detoxification enzymes and supporting cellular defense pathways. The American Institute for Cancer Research carefully phrases this as foods that may support cellular protection. That wording matters. Cabbage is not a cure. But research continues to explore how cruciferous vegetables contribute to reduced risk patterns in population studies. Multiple reviews between 2020 and 2025 highlight sulforaphane's potential role in supporting the body's natural antioxidant systems. This is about long-term dietary patterns, not single meals. 4. Anti-inflammatory effects. Cabbage contains flavonoids such as camphorol. A 2023 review in the Journal of Functional Foods discussed camphorol's potential anti-inflammatory activity. Chronic inflammation is associated with many modern health concerns, so dietary patterns rich in flavonoids are of growing interest. Red cabbage, with its anthocyanins, may offer additional antioxidant support. Research suggests that plant diversity in the diet contributes to lower inflammatory markers over time. Cabbage can be one piece of that larger puzzle. 5. Weight management support. Cabbage is low in energy density. That means it provides volume and satiety for very few calories. High fiber, water-rich foods help you feel fuller while naturally managing calorie intake. Studies in nutrition science consistently show that diets rich in low-energy density vegetables support healthy weight maintenance. Cabbage can bulk up meals, soups, stir-fries, salads, without adding excess calories. It is simple. It is practical. And it works through basic physiology. 6. Bone health and density. Vitamin K is essential for activating proteins involved in bone mineralization. A meta-analysis published in Osteoporosis International examined vitamin K intake and bone health markers. Adequate intake appears to support bone density over time. 1 cup of cabbage providing over 100% of daily vitamin K makes it a meaningful contributor. Bone health is cumulative. Daily micronutrient sufficiency matters. 7. Brain health support. Cabbage contains small but relevant amounts of choline. Choline is involved in neurotransmitter production and cell membrane integrity. While cabbage is not the richest source, it contributes to overall intake when part of a diverse diet. Additionally, antioxidant compounds may help counter oxidative stress, which researchers continue to explore in cognitive aging studies. Again, this is about patterns. Cabbage fits into a broader brain-supportive dietary approach. Smart Consumption Guide, How to Eat It Right. Raw cabbage preserves maximum vitamin C. A crisp slaw or finely sliced salad keeps heat-sensitive nutrients intact. Light steaming, however, may enhance sulforaphane bioavailability. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry suggests that gentle cooking can optimize certain beneficial compounds while preserving texture. Aim for about 1 to 1.5 cups, 3 to 4 times weekly, as part of dietary diversity. Variety still matters. Quick ideas. A massaged kale cabbage salad with olive oil and lemon. A 10-minute garlic cabbage stir-fry. Fermented sauerkraut added to grain bowls for probiotic support. Storage tip: keep a whole head wrapped tightly in the crisper drawer. It can last 2 weeks or more. Once cut, seal it well and use within several days. Simple preparation. Minimal cost. Maximum versatility. Safety and practical considerations. Cabbage contains goitrogens, compounds that can interfere with thyroid function in extremely high amounts. However, when consumed moderately and especially when cooked, research suggests minimal concern for most individuals. If you have a thyroid condition, consult your healthcare provider and ensure adequate iodine intake. Because cabbage is high in vitamin K, those on blood thinners should maintain consistent intake rather than making sudden increases. If you are new to high-fiber foods, start with smaller cooked portions to reduce digestive discomfort. Allergies are rare but possible. Listen to your body. Moderation and awareness are key. Empowering summary. Cabbage isn't a magic bullet, but woven into a balanced diet, it is a powerful, accessible tool for lifelong wellness. It supports your gut. It contributes to heart health. It provides antioxidants that may support cellular defense. It strengthens bones. It fits beautifully into weight-conscious meals. Sometimes the most overlooked foods are the most reliable. Try adding cabbage to one meal this week. Snap a photo and share your creation in the comments. We would genuinely love to cheer you on. If this empowered your kitchen choices today, please tap like, subscribe for science-led nutrition deep dives every Tuesday, and share this with someone who believes real food fuels real health. This content is for educational purposes only. Consult your physician or a registered dietitian before making dietary changes, especially if you are managing a health condition or taking medications.